I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to recover your Groupon account. For that, first of all, open up your browser. You can use any browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search groupon.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Groupon's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left of your screen. There you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Now tap on forgot password which is on your right hand side. Enter your email address that is linked to your account. And when you are done, tap on send link. Groupon will now send you a link to reset your password on your email. So open up your mail. After you open up your mail, tap on set password in order to access the link. After that, set a new password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure to create a strong password. When you are done, tap on set password. This way you can recover your Groupon account. Now you can continue to get great deals for products and services. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.